Victor, Tennessee, you're on the Wilkow Majority. Hello.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I enjoy your show most of the time. I don't agree with half of it, but nevertheless, you're.
Well, that's because you're wrong.
Well. Oh, well, I'm not. How can you know I'm wrong? You never heard my viewpoint. But
well, if it's against mine, you're probably wrong.
Okay. Well, good point. Touche. Since you are a genius there, all of your 37 years. Let me make sure I understand you correctly when you're talking about, like, I just want to infer. You said San Francisco, okay, they should do what they want to do, and Mississippians should have the right to do what they want to do.
Within the context of the United States Constitution.
Okay, well, I was just saying, well, in the context of your philosophy, let's talk about your philosophy, which doesn't change regardless of what laws you may have inferred upon you by the government. So if you're saying that San Francisco, California, for example, let them do what they want to do, Mississippians do what they want to do, then let's say slavery, for example.
No. I just went over that with the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendment. I just went over that, sir.
No,
slavery violates individual liberty.
Well, but it was legal before 1864.
Yes, and we fought an entire war and had an entire government ratify 3 amendments to the Constitution after that war, sir.
And that's why I preference my comments with the fact that let's address your philosophy rather than what the Constitution.
My philosophy is based on the Constitution, sir.
Okay, well, and then we'll move on to your. So you're saying.
So you okay? No, Victor. Let me stop you here. Okay. You were trying to, in a roundabout way, make the case that I would accept slavery as an issue of states' rights. But I prefaced my argument on states' rights based on the fact that we are all individuals, no matter what our race is, no matter what our religion is, no matter what our sexual orientation is. Those are rights guaranteed to us by the Constitution, which is a reflection of natural law. And in the case of a time when we wronged people based on their race, we, unlike other societies, have sought to right that. And that's not a question of states' rights.
Okay. Very good. Now,
I'm glad I have your approval.
Oh, yeah. I mean, yeah, like I say, I enjoy your show. Even though you sound like Sean Hannity, you are much more wiser than he.
Well, I don't want to get into a criticism of my colleagues, sir.
I know. Okay. All of your buddies. Who is Sean Hannity? What's the other guy?
Well, let's not get into other names. Let's just talk between ourselves.
And I want to continue to address something you said, and I just want to make sure I'm clear on this. You said that the liberal guys, when they try to put their philosophy on you. In other words, they become the deity. Could you explain what you were talking about there?
Because when you hear Obama say that the Constitution is a charter of negative liberties, in that it leaves out the power of government to do things to you.
Right.
Okay, he said that. I'm not making it up. I played the clip of audio. You want me to play it again?
No.
Okay, that there are certain inherent natural rights that are not granted by men to other men. In other words, you, Victor, do not have your rights because of me, Andrew Wilkow. You have your rights because you're Victor, a human being whose life is equivalent to that of Andrew Wilkow. I can't give you rights, and if I tried to take them, you have the right to defend yourself or expect to take your case before a court. In other words, men do not create rights for men. Only God can create rights for men. In order to consider yourself the creator of rights is to elevate yourself to that of God.
Oh, okay. And that's what I have an issue. Maybe you can clarify.
I just did.
I know it, but I'm just to clarify my comment here. I'm probably wrong, like you said.
Okay, here's the thing. To believe that your rights, Victor, are defined by other men is to give men the power of God.